Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price with these ratings. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Sonic. The taut, strong body lines and powerful stance of Chevy Sonic allude to the power you'll find under its hood. Throw a little extra power into the mix with the available turbocharged engine. So where's the sweet spot? Behind the wheel. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, remote trunk release, FWD, headlights auto off, security system, trip computer, child safety locks. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.